Hi guys, today I am making tacos and I'm going to do it in two parts. This is the salsa or Pico de Gallo. We don't have a name for it in my family. We call it hot sauce, but it's not sauce. It's like a Pico de Gallo. So what I have in here is one diced tomato and half of a diced onion. And you can make as much of this as you like. And then the difference to this compared to others is we're going to use these yellow chili peppers. And what you do is you take the juice and pour it in there. And you want to pretty much cover everything. You don't put salt or anything in here because that juice is very well seasoned. These are my grandpa's tacos. They're different than any tacos I've had, including this salsa. We don't use like the packaged taco seasoning and all of that in the meat, and I'll do that part separate. This is just the salsa part. And then you take the peppers and you pull off the end. Let me get a bowl. Something. And I squeeze the juice into the bowl. And you squeeze out the seeds. And I usually do this over the sink so I can shake as much of the seeds out as possible. You don't have to get all the seeds out, but if you want them all out, you can do that. So that's the most tedious part, really, of this hot sauce. My stepdad used one of those slap choppers. Do you guys remember those? I think I have one, but I've never used it because the base is glass. And I'm afraid I'll break it. My mouth is watering from it. So you add as many of these as you like. And just dice them up. When I do it over the sink, I get a lot more of the seeds out than this. I don't want to make a mess all over the stove. I still have to fry taco shells. This is one of my favorite childhood dishes. A lot of people said they wanted to see some of my grandfather's recipes. For any of you that might be new here, my grandfather owned a restaurant in Temple City, California, and they lived above the restaurant, and the house had everything but a kitchen because the kitchen was downstairs, obviously the restaurant. My mom said she used to grab handfuls of these peppers on her way to school. So we grew up with these peppers. Our after school snacks would be like the Gallo salami, cheddar cheese, these hot peppers, some crackers, glass of milk. A lot of people think that's an odd snack, but I enjoyed it. So I love these peppers. I can eat them with everything, sandwiches, and obviously with the crackers and cheese and salami. I enjoy them. I'm not like my mom where I would just grab a handful and eat them, but she eats these things like they're candy. So you just mix this up and then you just let it sit in the refrigerator And that juice really flavors up the onion and the tomato. And it's just really nice on the tacos. The combination of flavors with these tacos, that's just yum to me. And you'll see when I do the next video doing the tacos themselves and put the taco together, there's another twist to how we ate our tacos. Y'all might think it's weird, but I'm telling you, combination of flavors is quite nice. So I just fed my dogs, so they're meandering around here in the kitchen. Don't know where Bella is, our new baby. So, and obviously the more peppers you put in, the hotter it's going to be. I see a piece of hair. I saw a piece of hair somewhere. So yeah, that's it with this. It's done. Mix it up, pop it in the refrigerator. You can make it earlier in the day, let it set, and serve it with your tacos. And you can add as much or as little of everything as you like. I like it with a lot of onion. You might like it with a lot of tomato, so however you like it. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Here is the hot sauce, or salsa, or like I said, we didn't really have a name for it that I recall. I could ask my mom, but we just called it the hot sauce. We knew what each other meant. So like I said, if you have any questions, post them down below. A thumbs up really helps me out. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you. See y'all later.